Hey everybody, it's Adam from Pure Spaces. I'm at Island Orthodontics, and I just want to show you how to properly use the Pure Sand disinfectant. Okay, currently, from what I understand, you're still using a chemical cleaner. You're using a wipe. You're wiping down after a patient leaves. You're wiping down all the areas and things that might have been touched by the doctor and or the patient. This should replace that. This is not a chemical. This is organic, it's safe, and it's hypoallergenic. So what I want you to do is, instead of picking up the wipe, pick up the Pure Sand. As soon as the patient leaves, you're going to lightly mist. Anything it touches, within seconds, is disinfected. COVID, H1N1, norovirus, all around. Here's your laptop, a little swipe across. No need to even dry it. It'll be dry within minutes. We're going to hit some of the instruments, and down below here, all of the cords and attachments. Done. You got another patient coming and you don't have time for it to dry. You don't have 2 minutes, you don't have 3 minutes. Just wipe it down. No more chemicals, hypoallergenic, kills in seconds, and it's stronger than any chemicals you're using. Pick up the Pure Sand and use it. We'll get you more. Thanks a lot.